everyone, welcome back to Luxe TV. I hope you all are doing well. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing from DSW. I also have a big box here which I'm also going to be doing an unboxing from Coach, but I don't want this video to be too long, so maybe I will make the unboxing in 2 videos. Okay, so thank you all so much. If you are new here, my name is Grace. Welcome to Luxe TV. If you like unboxing videos, please subscribe to my channel and turn on your bell notification. Also share my videos out. I also do handbag reviews, comparison videos, and also I throw in any video I feel is interesting for you. I upload Mondays and Wednesdays and also Fridays if I have any interesting videos that I want you all to see. So thank you all so much. Without wasting any much of your time, let's go and do this unboxing right now. Okay guys, let's open up the box now. This is the bigger box here, and this is from Coach. This one is from DSW. Okay, so if you are here in the US, you should be already familiar with DSW, which says Designer Shoe Warehouse. Okay, so you should be already familiar with DSW. Okay, all right, so this is the receipt from DSW. This is the box. Ta-da! This is what it looks like, guys. Okay, so this is the shoe. So this is a sandal, okay, and it's called Michael Kors Saddle Sandal, and this is in the navy. Okay, so this sandal reminds me so much about the Dior sandals that came out, I think 2 years ago, that has the woven and also the Dior. It says Christian Dior up here, and it has that woven upper. Okay, all right, so all here is leather. It has some cushioning in here for added comfort. Okay, so this so similar to the Dior Christian Dior sandals, and also I think Fendi have something similar to this as well. So I'll put the picture up here for you guys. I love it so much. Now on the Michael Kors website, you won't find these sandals up there. For some reason I couldn't find it on the website, but I got it from DSW. Okay, and at DSW also it has the a brown. It comes in brown and it comes in navy, so I just went for the navy. All right, so let me give you some price on this. The original price is $100, $99.99. Okay, they had additional 25% off as at when I got it, and also I had a reward certificate for additional $10 off. So my total amount came to $68.89. Okay, and I also had free shipping with it. So I think with purchase of $70 or $50 purchase, you will get a free shipping to your house from DSW. And also with DSW, they have this rewards program which you can register for, and the more you purchase, the more you accumulate your reward. Okay, so that's why I had that additional $10 off on top of the $25% off. Okay, so I really love this one. It reminds me so much about the Dior and the Fendi sandals. So with Michael Kors being a contemporary brand, you will always get you know, similar designs for less. Okay, so this one I'll be taking on vacation. I have a vacation coming up soon, and I will be taking this for my vacation. Okay, so this is so beautiful. I love it, and I love that blue color as well. I don't know if it's coming up blue or black on the screen, but this is a navy blue. So I love that navy blue against the white over here. So this is so beautiful. So guys, if you want this, I'm gonna put the link down there. Okay, hopefully they still have that 25% going on. And if you're already with DSW shoes and you have your additional certificate, your reward certificate, you can use it as well on top of the 25%, and you also get free shipping to your house. Okay, all right guys, thank you all so much for watching. I really do appreciate you. For the bigger box, I think I'm gonna do another video to unbox the Coach handbags here, because I don't want this video to be too long. All right, so thank you all so much. I will see you all next time. Bye guys.